So today we're going to be talking about this massive cherry from Urban Decay and all of the goodies in here. So if you are interested in seeing the collection and my thoughts on it and how I did my eyes today, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Came with 3 lipsticks, and these are the shades right here. Oops. The packaging is super adorable. I love it. So this is Devilish, which is like a pinky red with some sparkly notes in there. Notes, whatever you'd want to call it. Next we have Juicy, which is a sparkly iridescent nude, so when you put it on your lips it kind of gives off like this purplish color. I don't even know how to explain it. And the last one is Cherry, which is like a dark cherry color, and these are like a moisturizing finish. So the first two I showed, the finish is metallized, and this last one, it's cream. I think I'm gonna go with Devilish for this look. I don't want to make it too dark. So this collection also came with 2 24-hour pencils, a highlight and blush palette, and their all-nighter spray, but it's cherry scented. Now, I already tried the pencils. This is the same formula that they already have. I love that formula. Let me open these so you guys can see it. So these are the colors. One is like an off black and the other is like a cherry color, like a purpley color. A lot of people have been using the purplish one as their lip liner, and I've also seen quite a few people complaining about the black one. My thing is that the black one is not black, it's gray, so it's going to be for a certain type of look. You know what I mean? Like, it doesn't necessarily work with this palette if you want it to be like bold like what I got right now, because I used a liquid eyeliner. Like, this would be cool if you do it like on your waterline, under the lash line. And I used this on my waterline and it works just fine. They both do. I love this formula. I don't have anything bad to say about these pencils. Then we have the blush and highlighting palette right here. As you can see, the packaging is super freaking adorable. I think it's super cute. I don't really care for this one, and I know that there's like a ton of reviews already out there. I don't think anybody really did. For me personally, the highlighter would be cool. Like, I think I might put this on my inner corner just so you guys can see it. The blush didn't really work for me. Like, the color just didn't really show up on my skin tone. Like, I didn't like it, and I will never really use this white one. The white one is like an iridescent purple. The only thing that I would do with this is use it on my inner corner, but I just don't see myself gravitating towards this palette in particular. I think that it was like a good try, like it's cute, you know. I will probably gift it to my daughter, pretending like it's brand new that I didn't touch it for Christmas. But you know, I hate to say it wasn't my favorite thing. Like, I didn't really care for it. And because of that, I'm not even gonna put it on, girl, because I just don't feel like it. I tried, like, I just didn't like the way it made my skin look, so. But this all-nighter cherry scented, girl, First off, we already know that all-nighter is like a must. Everybody needs to have the all-nighter finishing spray. And it smells so freaking good. Like, I am in love with the spray. I already love this spray on its own, but with the cherry scent, amazing. And the scent doesn't stay on throughout the entire time. Like, it starts to go away and then you don't really smell it anymore, but it's nice just to have like a little bit of that scent when you finish up your makeup. So let's get into the palette. This is the new Naked Cherry palette. I love this packaging. This is so freaking pretty. I love the packaging. Super chic. And then these are the colors. So you have a bunch of like cherry colors, pinkies, purples. Don't really see myself necessarily using these first two right here, but I'm gonna try to create some type of look where these would be the main colors. I'm thinking it would be something more bridal, like that really, like that 50s style type of makeup, like lighter on the lid, not necessarily the crease, but just the lid, like wind liner, lashes, red lip type of thing. I think those colors would be perfect for that. Everything else I love. I'll be able to use everything on this palette. To me, this is almost like a remake of that Back Talk palette that they had a few months back in terms of like the color scheme, because I loved the way that palette looked and like the pretty colors and the way the shadows were applying wasn't the same way that these are. Like, these are buttery and they blend so well with each other and they look beautiful on the skin. The pigmentation is amazing. I mean, we already know that Urban Decay makes some beautiful, beautiful palettes, and I was super excited to get this collection. I tried this palette like last week. I kind of liked the look and I was supposed to film it, and then I got lazy. I was like, I don't feel like doing a review right now. So I came on today and I did this, and I'm super happy with the way it turned out. Overall, I give this a 10 out of 10. Like, I have nothing bad to say about it. I know that some people are like talking about the color scheme and what colors they would like to have it on there and what colors they wouldn't have liked to have it on there. I don't have really any suggestions in terms of, for me, in terms of what colors I would have added to this. I like this color scheme. Privacy is the darkest one. And I used this when I did my look last week, and it was dark enough for me. I think that if they had thrown a black on here, it would have looked weird. Like, it just wouldn't really have made any sense. But that's just my opinion. But overall, I am super happy with the shadow. I love the pencils because I love that formula. The lipsticks are really cute. Like, I like this color. It's like really pretty every day. Put it on and go. The really dark one, I think, will be a little bit more challenging because usually those colors come in a matte shade. But I'll try and wear it the way it is anyways, because you can make it work, right? Not everything needs to be matte. So, and I've been more into like the glossy type of looks lately, so I'm definitely gonna give that one a try again. And I did use it on my last look. I should have taken pictures. I was so tired. I was like, I just did my home makeup and I don't feel like setting up to take pictures. But anyways, I'll definitely create another look with this so you guys can kind of like see. Make sure to follow me on Instagram because that's probably where I would post it if I don't necessarily make a whole video for it. So Giselle MUA, go over there and check it out and make sure to follow. And that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what you're thinking about this collection in the comments down below, and if you picked anything up or you're planning to do it. If you have not done so yet, also go ahead and make sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button, girl, so that I know that you're enjoying my videos. And I will see you on the next one. Ciao.